After almost a year of being stuck at home, it was finally time to go out and live a little bit. So this brings us to the story of a day we spent at Nature Inn, a place away from the city where you can find peace. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Jason, the guy who makes vlogs. And if you aren't subscribed already, consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications by clicking on the bell icon, because I also have a video of Maya Lake coming out next week. So without wasting any much time, come take a seat and let me take you through the day. So the day started quite late, as always. We were on the road for almost 2 hours, including the time that we got lost, of course. Made it there, and we soon realized that the property was massive. At the time of shooting this video, that is January 2021, there was an entry fee of 600 per person and lunch for an extra 200. You could also add an overnight stay if you wish. As for us, we were here only for a day and had the entire place to ourselves. Talking about the facilities here, they have an open air venue, cottages, children park, rain dance. There are also 3 pools here, which we'll get to in a second. There is a small restaurant, but you can also opt to have your meals served out here on the buffet counter. Once you enter this place, it's a completely different vibe. You feel so connected to the nature that you completely forget your city life. Now moving to the pools, there is 1 small pool near the cottage and 2 in the water park. The lower one is for kids and is a bit shallow. The upper one, however, is for adults and is a bit deeper. There's nothing much to talk here other than the fact that I lost my glasses in the pool and did not realize it for a good 10 minutes. So let's just roll the cinema. Done with the pool, and now for lunch. Believe me when I say this is the best Goan food that I've ever tasted. The aroma was so good that I even forgot to record the buffet. The restaurant also has an artifact framed and hung. It has a complete naturey vibe to it. After lunch, we were served some dessert, which was kheer. Now since we were the only people here, we decided to go and explore a different location which was kind of close, which the video will be coming out next week. So if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe, and please subscribe, like, share with your friends, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.